Hello everyone, welcome to Joy Cooking Show. Today we have mussels and spaghetti. That is what we're gonna make today as our recipe of the week. So we have garlic here, we have parsley, pepper and cherry tomatoes and olive oil and salt to taste. So watch out how I am going to transform this mussels and spaghetti to food. And please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show, and watch out for the preparation of the food. So the food cooking process will start now. So this is the mussels. Just open water and let it fill it up with water. This is how to wash the mussels. Just clean it one after the other. Clean it very well. There are things that you can bring out from the mussels, like all this from the sea. Just clean it up one after the other. When it's clean, you can see. You see, this is the mussels. When you finish cleaning everything up, you take it out one after the other. The mussels is clean now, so we just have to remove some of the shell. Just open it up. You see, after you open, you just have to remove it with a spoon. We need to have some, take some of them out from the shell. You see, we just take it off, and I'm just going to share it, some with the shell and some of them without shell. But to open it up, you need to put it in a cold water so that it can be easily opened. So this is it. You just take it off. This is it. Okay. So thank you all. Welcome to Joy Cooking Show. So right away we're gonna be adding this salt to this boiling water for the spaghetti, and we're gonna be adding this spaghetti to the water. So that's it. And right away we'll be cutting these cherry tomatoes already washed. We're just going to slice it in two. That is all we need. And thank you all for watching, and Merry Christmas to you all. And please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show, and welcome you all. This is a place where you can learn international cuisine and our local dishes from Nigeria. So this is it, and my name is Joy. So we just have to cut all these cherry tomatoes in two pieces. You can use any other tomatoes, bigger ones, any one you like, but these cherry tomatoes make it taste better because it's sweet. And right away we have this garlic. We're just going to, you can use as much as you want for the garlic, but I'm going to use just 2 cloves of garlic, and it will be enough. Now just have to chop it up, rough chopping. It's ready. Chop the garlic already. Other stuff I'm gonna be adding to this delicious meal is pepper. I'm using this green chili pepper. It's very hot. This chili pepper is very hot. I'm just going to use a little bit of it. I am not a fan of pepper. So this is it. These are all the ingredients I'll be using. And the spaghetti, we just have to let it cook. Right away, we'll be using, this is the pan. It's already hot. We had olive oil to the pan. See? Drizzle olive oil to the pan. And we had this garlic and the pepper. Just gonna add the garlic and the pepper together. Saute. So you remember the mussels? These are the ones I take out from the shells. Just add this. Then we're gonna be adding some of these ones. I already washed them with the shell. Just let it. Enough. Right away, we're just going to add these cherry tomatoes to it. We had that. Of this salt, just a little bit. Let it cook for at least some few minutes. Have some water of water. So let it simmer for a minute. Parsley already sliced to it, and mix everything together. It's time to add the spaghetti. Everything is already well cooked. Just have to add the spaghetti. It's already cooked. These are the spaghetti. Just bring it out from the water. Now I'm just gonna mix together with the spaghetti and mussels. Wow. The aroma is everything. Oh my God. It's time to serve. So now you just have to serve this spaghetti and mussels. You just have to serve everything together. This is it. Add the mussels. All the liquid from the mussels to eat. All the cherry tomatoes. Sorry. Please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show, and these are all that we made together today. Thank you all. And right away, I'm going to be adding some of this Italian cheese. This is dried cheese. Just have to have some of it to eat. Something today. Some of it. You see, not too much, just a little bit. So this is the food we cook together, mussels and spaghetti. Oh, it's so hot. Oh my god, this is so good. These are the mussels. Just take out the meat. Mmm. Mm. Thank you all for being here with me, and please subscribe to this channel. Enjoy cooking show. Thank you and Merry Christmas.